Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy Incorporated in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.208. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned at the upper section of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $333.94 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but may also serve as the first indication of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of -19.07% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -45.99% to -13.53%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month projection indicates a potential change of 87.64%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 54.49% to 241.22% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $482.85 and $1,066.44. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, the stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated increased by 2.13%. moving from $306.02 to $312.54. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.57%, ranging from a low of $297 to a high of $319.47. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been an overall gain of 2.73%. It's important to note that the trading volume decreased by 926,000 shares, with a total of 16 million shares being traded for approximately $4.92 billion. This decline in volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $543 and its lowest price of $101. Currently, the price stands at 42.44%, or $230.46, below the 52-week high, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the ticker MSTR, is facing significant scrutiny following a bearish position from a Wall Street analyst. The company's aggressive strategy of selling equity and debt to fund Bitcoin acquisitions may be reaching a critical juncture, leading to recommendations for investors to sell their stock. This bearish sentiment could pressure MSTR's stock price in the short term as investors digest these recommendations. Additionally, MicroStrategy's reliance on Bitcoin poses inherent risks given the cryptocurrency's volatility. Recent analyses highlight its status as a leveraged Bitcoin proxy, benefiting from institutional acceptance, but also amplifying risks associated with Bitcoin's price fluctuations. With Bitcoin currently holding below its all-time high, any downturn in cryptocurrency values could result in MSTR underperforming, affecting investor confidence. In contrast, the broader market has experienced mixed trends, with the recent performance of associated stocks like Mercado Libre and Atlassian also declining, contributing to a more cautious investment environment. Long-term, while MSTR has shown impressive growth, gaining investors due to its Bitcoin holdings, potential market shifts, including economic downturns, could challenge its strategy. If market participants begin to see risks outweighing rewards, we may observe increased volatility in MSTR's stock price, necessitating close monitoring as fiscal conditions evolve. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts had assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy Incorporated stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock is currently signaling a sell based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is at approximately $313.14. Conversely, if the stock declines, some support can be expected from the long-term average, estimated at around $294.92. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early alert. Close attention should be paid to the stock. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 8.56%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume at $250.92 and $250.51. There's a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $250.92. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $250.51 and $239.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $22.47 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.57%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.21%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $339.66. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $250.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Leslie J. Retchen, who engaged in the buying and selling of 34,800 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.939. In total, insiders purchased 323,097 shares and sold 441,226 shares during these 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several negative signals, and we believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the latest trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate MicroStrategy Incorporated will open lower by $2.87, starting at $309.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.